TikTok rolls out Smart Plus, AI-powered ad tool to rival Meta and Google. TikTok has launched Smart Plus, an AI-driven tool for advertising to boost ad revenue and close the gap with Meta. This significant step aims to increase ad revenue and compete with Meta's Advantage Plus and Google's Performance Max. However, Smart Plus uses full-fledged automation of ad buying processes from creative development to targeting optimization. TikTok Smart Plus lets marketers let TikTok AI create and deliver ads or take control at the key stages of ad creation or delivery. For instance, marketers can utilize Smart Plus to create and optimize ads and then choose whether to manage campaigns themselves or hand over control to the AI. This Smart Plus has already shown early promises. Ray-Ban's Meta Smart Plus campaign saw a 50% reduction in cost per acquisition, a 47% lift in conversion rates, and a 42% lift in return on investment. On average, advertisers optimizing for value with Smart Plus web campaigns improve return on ad spend by 53%. TikTok aims to become a competitive player in advertising, targeting privacy-enhancing technologies, data clean rooms, and trusted execution environments in the tech market. TikTok still hasn't caught up to Meta, as its worldwide ad revenue sits at a projected $22.32 billion by the end of 2024. Yet the growth rate is impressive. The ad revenue is expected to increase by 27.3% by 2025, reaching $28.42 billion.